What if the next generation of action cameras completely redefined what's possible in 2025? Imagine holding a tiny device powered by a next-gen 1.3-inch 8K sensor, co-engineered with Leica's legendary optics, a lens so sharp it captures every grain of sand, every drop of rain in crystal clarity. Sounds unreal? Well, the rumored Insta360 Ace Pro 3 might just make it a reality. According to multiple leaks, this beast could feature the world's first dual AI image processor, capable of enhancing image quality in real time. That means sharper visuals, smoother stabilization, and mind-blowing low-light performance, all without lifting a finger. Add a 4K 60 FPS pure video mode, and you're looking at footage so clean it could rival professional cinema cameras. But that's just the beginning. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to deliver 8K 30 FPS recording, 4K 60 active HDR, and Leica's signature color science, bringing you cinematic contrast and lifelike tones straight out of the camera. Combine that with a redesigned AI WindGuard audio system, and your sound will stay crisp and clear even when nature's fighting against you. And yes, this camera is built for the real world. A rugged 2.5-inch flip touchscreen, magnetic mounting system, and 39-foot waterproof protection make it the perfect companion for adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers alike. With up to 180 minutes of non-stop endurance mode, the Ace Pro 3 doesn't just survive tough conditions, it dominates them. Need more? The camera could introduce gesture controls, AI auto-editing, and even a 120-second pre-record dash mode, turning spontaneous moments into perfectly captured memories. It's not just an upgrade, it's a glimpse into the future of creative freedom. While Insta360 hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, the leaks, patents, and insider reports make one thing clear: something big is coming. And if these rumors hold true, the Ace Pro 3 could be the most powerful, most intelligent action camera ever made, setting a new benchmark for what creators can achieve in 2025. So what do you think? Are these leaks just hype? Or are we about to witness a revolution in action cameras? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to GadgetVerse, your hub for the latest in next-gen tech and futuristic gadgets. Stay tuned. The future of action cameras might be closer than we think.